How to adjust screen brightness on Android. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can adjust, decrease it or increase it, your screen brightness on your Android device. It's very simple. So usually, depending on what type of phone you're using, especially for Android devices, if you go ahead and summon out or access the settings to have your quick settings specifically is you should be able to see two options here where you can increase and decrease the brightness on your Android device and as well as your sound. If you tap and hold on this moon icon right here, it will actually redirect you into your dark mode settings. You can turn on this one option here below to set it as scheduled, and then if you go back, you can choose or change your display whether it's for light or for dark. Now, pretty basic. For you to be able to change your brightness level is just to use this knob right here. You can increase it and you can decrease it. And that's it. That is how you adjust screen brightness on Android.